Hello, dear student. Myself, Priyas Patel, educator of social science. Welcome to our journey through history. Have you ever wondered how a single event in 1453 AD could change the course of entire continents? Join us as we uncover the story of how European explorers, driven by the quest for riches and spices, found their way to India and reshaped its destiny. Let's dive into the reasons and the sequence of events that brought Europeans to Indian shore. In 1453 AD, the Turks conquered the Constantinople, a crucial trade hub between India and Europe. This event disrupted the flow of Indian goods like cotton, silk, spices, indigo, timber, opium, and more to Europe, with European countries unable to access these essentials, especially the spices needed to preserve meat. A quest began to find the new trade route to India. The Portuguese were pioneer in this endeavor. In 1498 AD, Vasco da Gama successfully reached Calicut, marking the discovery of new sea route from Portugal to India via Africa. King Samudrik of Calicut permitted to the Portuguese to trade spices. To secure their position, Portuguese built forts in Kochi and Kannur. In 1505 AD, Portugal sent its first viceroy, Francisco de Almeida, to establish Portuguese dominance in India. His successor, Alfonso de Albuquerque, expanded Portuguese control by capturing key ports like Goa, Vasai, Diu, and Daman. By 1530 AD, Goa became the capital of Portuguese India. The Portuguese dominated sea trade, earning them the title Lord of the Sea. They also engaged in piracy and converted many Hindus to Christianity in Goa. The Dutch, eager to profit from the trade, first established their presence in Bengal and Malabar. They later invaded Sri Lanka in 1658 AD. Despite their initial success, their monopoly ended after losing major wars against the Britishers. The Danes from Denmark also made an attempt by establishing a fort in Sirampur, Bengal. However, they couldn't sustain significant trade activities. The British entered the scene with the founding of the East India Company in 1600 AD. By 1613 AD, they secured permission from Emperor Jahangir to establish their first fort at Surat. Thomas Roe further solidified British trade in India. They expanded rapidly, setting up trading posts in Balasore, Hooghly, and Kasim Bazar. By 1698 AD, they established the Fort William, which became Kolkata. The French joined the race in 1639 AD, established a trading center in Madras, and later founding Pondicherry in 1673 AD. However, conflicts with the Dutch and British led to their decline. By 1761 AD, the French retained control only over Pondicherry. The arrival of Europeans in India reshaped the subcontinent's history, leading to profound economic and cultural exchanges. From the Portuguese to the British, each European power left its mark on India, influenced trade, culture, and politics. Thank you for joining on this historical journey. Stay tuned for more such videos that brings history to life.